Hello, my name is Brendan Schlomer, and this is part of my virtual audition for the Glenn Miller Birthplace Society Scholarship for the 2025-2026 school year. For my jazz selection, I'll be performing Clifford Brown's tune Sandu. I'll play the head of the chart, then improvise for a little while, and then conclude with the head once again. I will be using iReal Pro as my backing track. Once again, I am Brendan Schlomer with Clifford Brown's Sandu, and I thank you very much for your consideration.